There's no need for us to rush it through. Don't think about it too much, too much, too much, too much. This is more than just a new lust for you. Oh, don't think about it.
Done saying I'm done playing. Last time is on the outro. Stuck in the house, need to get out more. I've been stacking up like I'm fundraising. Most people in my position get complacent, wanna come places with star girls and then end up on them front pages. I'm quiet with it, I just ride with it. Moment I stop having fun with it, I'll be done with it. I'm the only one that's putting shots up, and like a potluck, you need to come with it. Don't run from it. Like H-Town in the summertime, I keep it 100. Met a lot of girls in my times there, and word of Paul Wall, not one fronted. I was birthed there in my first year, man, I know that place like I come from it. Backstage at Warehouse and 09 like it's one coming. Fuck that, is anyone coming? Before I show up there and there's no one there. These days I could probably pack it for like 20 nights if I go in there. Back rub for my main thing, I've been stressed out. Talking to her like back then, they didn't want me, I'm blessed now. Talking to her like this drop and a million copies get pressed out. She tell me take a deep breath, you too worried about being the best out.
Don't think about it too much, too much, too much, too much. Oh, don't think about it.
Someone go tell Noel to get it backwards. Money got my whole family going backwards. No dinners, no holidays, no nothing. There's issues at hand and we're not discussing. I did not sign up for this. My uncle used to have all these things on his bucket list, and now he's acting like, oh well, this is life I guess. Nah, fuck that shit. Listen man, you can still do what you wanna do. You gotta trust that shit. Heard once that in dire times when you need a sign, that's when they appear. Guess since my text message didn't resonate, I just say it here. I hate the fact my mom cooped up in the apartment, telling herself that she's too sick to get dressed up and go do shit like that's true shit. And all my family from the M-town that I've been around start treating me like I'm him now. Like we don't know each other, we ain't grow together, we just friends now. Shit got me feeling pinned down. Pick the pen up or put the pen down. I'm writing to you from a distance like a pen pal, but we been down.
Don't think about it too much, too much, too much, too much.
Make you think about all of the niggas you been leading on. Make me think about all of the rappers I've been feeding on. Got a feeling that's the same dudes that we speaking on. Oh word, ain't heard my album, who you sleeping on? You should print the lyrics out and have a fucking read along. Ain't a fucking sing along unless you brought the weed along. And just, okay I got it. Then just drop down and get your eagle on. Or we can stay up at the stars and put the Beatles on. All the shit you talking about is not up for discussion. I will pay to make it bigger, I don't pay for no reduction. If it's coming from a nigga I don't know, then I don't trust it. If you coming from my head, then motherfucker get the bussin'. Yes Lord, I don't really say this often, but this long dick nigga ain't for the long talking, I beast.
I love bad bitches, that's my fucking problem. And yeah, I like the fuck, I got a fucking problem. I love bad bitches, that's my fucking problem. And yeah, I like the fuck, I got a fucking problem. I love bad bitches, that's my fucking problem. And yeah, I like the fuck, I got a fucking problem.
Wir klauen, bringen's auf den Punkt, weil du es nicht verstehst. Was alles um dich herum passiert, weil du blind durchs Leben gehst. Eure Moral ist nicht das, was sie ist, alles geheuchelt und gelogen. In der Zeit von Internet und Massenkonsum habt ihr euch selbst betrogen. Rechtsklick, Download, wunderbar, die Spiele können beginnen. Virtuelles Lebensgefühl, ich glaub langsam, ich spinne. Jugendsprache, die keiner mehr versteht, an und schenken Crashbook behängt. Früher nannten wir das Stottern, heute nennt man das einen Slang. Es schlagt Männer ihre Frauen, ficken ihre Kinder und ihr schaut einfach weg. Die Jugend versinkt im Schmutz der Straße, schert euch einen Dreck. Es schlagt Männer ihre Frauen, ficken ihre Kinder und ihr schaut einfach zu. Das ist so widerlich und finde ich zum Kotzen, lässt mir keine Ruhe.